Here's the craft services van. I just had pork chops and salmon and lots of vegetables. And there's the tent. We're just finishing a morning rain that ended about 15 minutes ago, and now it's actually getting a little bit nice. I'm wearing my suit, and I'm kind of surprised at how much use my $80 Korean suit is that I bought in Seoul before I left. Just do a quick little walk around, show you the sights. I'm in the West End, and I've actually shot here before. The same TV show shot episode 1. There's the tent. Shot episode 1. I'm not sure what episode this is. And I shot episode 1 about 6 weeks ago. And I'm back doing a similar scene. Man, I miss living in the West End. It's a nice place to live. All the power trucks, equipment. Did you have lunch yet?
Oh yes, I did.
Good. Two o'clock. So you can tell we had some rain earlier. All the equipment's all locked off here. We're at Maxine's here. This is where I shot before. And this is the actual real front of it. I just want to get away from the crew and everything and get some fresh air and look out. We have this one police escort today on our set, and last I heard years ago was they made $50 an hour just to come out here with their equipment. Anyways, I'm back at Big Ol' and Davy on the shooting of a show that's on the Sci-Fi Network. I just finished lunch. I'm grabbing myself a cup of coffee now. Go back into the waiting area and wait for a call. And I've been here since 9:30. Did nothing but nap and snack, and now just have lunch. Talk to you soon. From downtown Vancouver, Michael's POV out.